In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom Smartsheet on your desktop. Whether you're navigating through Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari, having a grasp on how to adjust your zoom settings can make a significant difference in how you work efficiently. Let's dive in and explore how you can easily zoom in and out using a few simple techniques. To start, one of the quickest ways to adjust your zoom in Smartsheet is through keyboard shortcuts. These handy commands are universal across many applications and can significantly streamline your workflow. Let's discuss how you can use them on both Windows and Mac systems. First, if you're looking to zoom in and get a closer view of your Smartsheet, you can use these shortcuts. For those using a Windows machine, simply press the Control key and the plus key simultaneously, like this, Control and plus. It's a straightforward and efficient method to enlarge your view, ensuring that every detail pops right out for better focus. If you're on a Mac, the process is just as easy. Here, you'll want to hold down the Command key while pressing the plus key. That's Command and plus. By following these steps, you'll have a zoomed in view that lets you scrutinize the elements of your Smartsheet with ease and precision. Now, if everything appears too close and you need to zoom out for a broader view, here's what you should do. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl and the minus key together. That's Control and. This combination will shrink your view, offering you a wider perspective of your Smartsheet layout. For Mac users, the equivalent functionality requires pressing Command and minus. By pressing Command and hold, you can easily retract to a more condensed view, allowing you to see more content without scrolling extensively. Sometimes you might want to go back to the default zoom level after adjusting it either up or down. To reset your zoom to the original state on a Windows system, use Control and 0. For Mac, it's Command and 0. This reset function is perfect when you need to quickly revert to the standard view without manual adjustments. Besides keyboard shortcuts, you can also alter your zoom through your browser's menu. Take a look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll notice either a 3-dot or line menu. By clicking on this menu, you can find a zoom option. Here, you can adjust the zoom slider or directly click the plus or minus buttons to tailor your view to your preference. That's it. These easy methods give you full control over your viewing experience in Smartsheet, making your workflow more manageable and productive. Keep practicing these steps and soon you'll be navigating your Smartsheet like a pro, optimizing every session with precise control over your zoom settings. Happy Smartsheeting!